Hey everyone, Bryce here with Airbyte. Today I want to show you how you can use abctl or Helm to configure external state and logging storage. Today I'm going to show you how to use S3. I'm going to configure an S3 secret, and then I'm going to configure my values.yaml file using S3 as well. So here I have in the AWS console my empty bucket that I'm going to be using, and I have a brand new instance of abctl up and running. So the first thing that I'm going to do is apply this secret. And what this secret does is provides the access key ID and the access key secret that the rest of the configuration is going to use. Very quickly, I have some additional config in there that I don't need, but here's what my values file looks like. And you can see that I'm configuring that S3 bucket that I just showed you. It's in US West 2, and I'm going to use credentials authentication. I've also told Helm that I want to use the S3 backend, and I've told Helm also where it can find the secrets. So with that, I can run abctl local install -- values and the values file that I was just showing. Now we'll reinstall my abctl instance using that S3 bucket. Okay, great. The installation is finished, and we can go back into our instance here and create a connection. I'm just going to use our E2E testing with 12 records, sure. And now that this check is running, we should start to see some state trickle in here. And we do. Perfect. So it looks like I've configured things correctly. Let's go ahead and set the rest of this connection up. Oh, connection test pass. Wonderful. Set up a new destination here. And we'll go to silent and set this destination up. Again, if we were to go look into our bucket and dig deeper into the app and job logging, we should see some additional logging. I misspoke earlier. I said state, but I meant logging. Once we actually run this, we should see some state. Let me click next. We'll turn this to manual for now, and we'll run our sync. This should run fairly quickly. And once it does, we should see some additional state here written into our S3 bucket. Also in our job history, if we were to view logs here, all of our logging information would be coming from this S3 bucket. So if we look in here and we go to job logging workspaces 10, I believe. So if we look here and here, logs.log. Yep. So we should see basically the logs that are written here should be represented here. I'm not going to download these files to verify that, but you can trust me here. Oh, and perfect. And now we do have some state in this bucket. So there you go. We've now configured, and it finished. Perfect. So there you go. We've configured S3 as the external logging storage for my instance of Airbyte using abctl. You can also use Helm for the same purpose, and it will work exactly the same, and the documentation works the same. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.